Chime offers early direct deposit for eligible direct deposits, while many traditional banks make your paycheck available according to their standard processing schedule. That difference is one of the biggest reasons people compare the two. By the end of this video, you'll understand how early direct deposit works, how Chime compares with a traditional bank, and which option is more likely to give you access to your paycheck sooner. If your main question is which deposits earlier, Chime is designed to provide eligible direct deposits as soon as it receives the payment information from your employer or payroll provider. A traditional bank may release those funds later, depending on its processing policies. However, some traditional banks now offer early direct deposit as well, so the experience varies by institution. Let's start with Chime. Chime is a financial technology platform that provides mobile-first banking services. After setting up qualifying direct deposit, eligible users may receive their paycheck as soon as Chime receives the payment instructions from the employer or payroll processor. The important point is that Chime cannot make funds available before it receives the payroll information. If your employer sends payroll files earlier, eligible deposits may arrive earlier. If the files are delayed, your deposit timing will also be delayed. Now, compare that with a traditional bank. Traditional banks provide checking and savings accounts, loans, credit cards, and many other financial services. Direct deposits are processed according to each bank's policies and systems. Some banks credit deposits on the scheduled payday, while others now offer early direct deposit on eligible accounts. Because every bank has different policies, one traditional bank may make funds available sooner than another. That's why comparing your specific bank's direct deposit policy is more useful than assuming every bank works the same way. So which option is better? Choose Chime if getting early access to eligible direct deposits is one of your top priorities, and you're comfortable managing your finances through a mobile app. Choose a traditional bank if you prefer branch access, a broader selection of financial products, or your current bank already offers the features you need, including early direct deposit if available. Here's the bottom line. Chime is built to provide eligible direct deposits as soon as payment information is received, which can result in earlier access to your paycheck than some traditional banks. Traditional banks remain the stronger choice for customers who want a complete range of banking services, and some now provide similar, early direct deposit features. Your next step is to compare your current bank's direct deposit policy with Chime's account features before deciding whether switching accounts is worth it. If this comparison helped you make a decision, like the video and subscribe for more comparisons of digital banking platforms, checking accounts, and personal finance tools.